Greetings everyone, welcome to some Pro 2 action. This time we're at Bark River. I think we've gone through all the tracks. We're back around to the very first track we raced. We did race last week at Crandon Full. It was only a field of like 4 trucks or so. Gavin let me have the win. You guys probably saw it in his channel. I didn't bother to upload it. It was kind of a shameful win. He let me pass, and then we just kind of held on to it. He couldn't get back around us, so here's what it is. This week, though, we're going to have the exact opposite. We got a group of about 6 people in here, and we are the number 5 truck, and we're going to be pretty slow, so we're going to get our Bucks kit. We're going to eat a slice of humble pie, but, you know, it is what it is. We're going to go out and have a good time, see if we can't learn something, try to find some speed, and, yeah, maybe we'll have some good battles. Who knows? Some attrition, but let's give it our best shot and see what we can do, and without any further ado, hop on into it. Pro 2's at Bark River. Alright, we are graded up here. We ended up qualifying 3rd, mostly because Matthew Lindy didn't qualify, and I think Gavin got an X.
You guys hear him?
On his final lap.
Yes. Can't hear anybody. What the hell is going on?
So, Dad can't hear anyone.
Okay, look at this guy. Anybody want to straight line him?
Yeah, you should straight line him.
What am I getting out of it?
I'll make you the thumbnail.
Let me think about it. Let me think about that one, chat.
Anyways, if
I'm like 75% convinced you guys are messing with me now.
If he straight lines him. No, Thad, we're not messing with you.
Nope. Negative, Ghost Rider.
100% legit. Alright, good luck, everyone, and we'll see what happens.
New rules to be a rock chain driver.
Here we go. Let's see if we can hang on to this. See if I can not botch the start like I did in the very first one.
Good luck, everybody, and make sure to goon when you spin out, you know?
Make sure to goon, he says. Alright.
Good luck.
Green flag, green flag. Gonna go strike.
Gotta hold it nice and tight right there.
3 wide, you're on the right, left side, still there. Stay on the right, clear on the left.
Gavin gets by us. Matthew Lindy gets by us. Matthew Lindy's taking out Gavin. Almost.
Left side. Stay on the right, clear on the left.
We're racing hard here on lap 1. Lindy gets mega sideways there, gets into Gavin.
Right side.
Wow.
Clear the right.
I don't even know what's going on here. Everyone's taking the, I guess we'll call it the esports line there. But Gavin's working hard to keep Lindy behind him here. Oh, William Findling around in the infield there. He'll be back though, very fast, way faster than me. It's a fake name, by the way. I'm sure Gavin has mentioned it on his video by now, but William Findling and actually Scott Merrick. He has fooled us all. He is basically the Emperor Palpatine of iRacing. Extremely hard to pass in these things, though. As you can tell, Matthew Lindy's definitely faster than Gavin here. Oh, they're racing extremely hard. These guys know each other well. I'm hoping they get a bunch of X's so they can just point out. And they'll just disappear and we go right by them. Do my best to stay with him and try to keep William Finley as far behind me as possible. Matthew Lindy gets a run to the outside of Gavin. Gavin's going for the crossover. I'm not sure what to do with my shifting. And Gavin knows if Lindy gets ahead of him here, it's going to be gone. We're using the esports line. No shame.
The car in P1, just after fastest lap.
Oh, Gavin's over the lip. He is gone.
Oh my lordy.
Rest in peace. That is unfortunate. It's just a matter of can we hold off William, aka Scott. I think we're better than William in some of these spots, but not all of them. That back half of the track, he's very good. I'm surprised we're able to keep Matthew Lindy as close as we have so far. That's been...
Left side. Clear on the left. That was your fastest.
I'm gonna hold it inside as much as possible. Try to make sure you can cross over with the run right there.
Right side. Stay on the left. Clear the right.
It's like same thing we gotta do right here. You gotta fight him tooth and nail here.
Right side. Clear the right.
I wonder what happened to Gavin, man. That was a colossal mistake that you don't normally see from him.
The leader just did a 14.88.
I wonder if he had, hopefully he didn't have like some kind of equipment issue or malfunction with his wheel or something. Get that inside dig right there. But yeah, Gavin is in the pits. He is out of this one. Very unfortunate for him. I was worried I was going to hit my rear bumper and...
We've got damage on the back end.
Gonna close the door on you, Scott. Sorry.
Left side. Clear on the left.
We're racing hard. He's extremely fast.
Feels bad, look at that way.
Doing everything I can, using every trick in the book here to try to keep my slow butt ahead of him. Oh.
Right side. Clear the right. Right side. Clear the right. Left side. Clear on the left. 2 to go stripe.
Yep, we had to. Oh, really? That's a slowdown? Wow. Alright. An excessive slowdown, too, at that. But we'll take it. Went away right away, so.
You have about 5 laps of fuel left.
But we'll see if we can maybe stay with him here a little bit. Nope, not like that, we won't. And that'll be it. No coming back from that, unfortunately.
White flag next time by a stripe.
But we held them off as long as we could. I was proud of that move, or that fight. I think I see Gavin back on track. I bet he landed upside down. That's probably what happened to him. That would be unfortunate. Yeah, unfortunately, there's just something we're missing that we can't quite keep up with these guys. It is, Wiz. Great. I'll take a 4th place.
All right, there's the checkered flag.
And yeah, we'll move on and see what happened to
Great job,
with
driver.
Rex and see what happened to Gavin there for sure. All right, take a look at what all happened here.
Good race. That was fun.
And it looks like on the start, yeah, we kept a nice tight inside. Let Gavin have that outside, which became the inside, which was really beneficial for him. They said we were 3 wide right there, so I kind of gave a lot of room, more than I needed to, but it is what it is, you know. And Matthew, Lindy, and Gavin are off chain contact. Lindy going inside here. Big contact on Gavin. They're bumping, banging. Having a good race. We were hanging on to him for a little while there. There's William Finling. Oh, it just flies off the edge. Still was able to catch us. Because we were just that bad. Lindy with a bit of a door right there. They're rubbing, racing hard. We're trying to keep up, but not quite able to do it. Have to do some more studying to see what we're missing here. More beating bang. It's just Matthew, Lindy, and Gavin over and over, just going at it. Then he's gonna smack that outside wall, maybe. I definitely smacked it in the background there. Let's see what happened. Oh, yeah, Gavin totally had a malfunction or something. Wow, that was unfortunate. I'll have to message him and see what happened. But yeah, it looks like steering wheel shut off or something. That is mega unfortunate. And there he is blinking out. Here we are. This is where we like wall tap the outside. Yep, really clean wall tap right there. Good run with Scott for a while. And that's it. Cool. We'll look at the results, see what we gained, if anything, and move on. All right, so we're going to be taking a look at the results real quick before I do. Sorry to Craig. I didn't even really notice Craig was in the race, but good race to you, Craig. You know, these are very tough cars, so just takes a little bit of time to get up to speed. Look at that. We gained 18 I rating. Probably not, shouldn't have, but 0.09 safety rating, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, come away 4th. We will take it. Like I said, Gavin, he had some kind of issues. Wheel shut off or something. We held off Scott Merrick for quite a while, but he was able to get around us. It is unfortunate, but yeah, I still got a lot to learn. I'm still getting my sea legs under me, as they would say. But it was a good run. I was able to keep, you know, them kind of within eyesight. Not Thad, though. Thad's freaking flying, but it's all good. We'll move on to the next one, wherever that week is, and hopefully had a good run there. And yeah, be on the lookout for more RC car content. That'll be coming soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this bit of content. And until next time, Dad out.